Morning students, I am Nisha Sindhi and I am taking 5th standard English subject. Today's topic is lesson number 7, an unforgettable day. An unforgettable day. Let's start. Let's read the lesson line by line. Arav and Reva were two naughty children. Here there are two children. Their name is Arav and Reva. They both were very naughty. Very naughty. Arav and Reva were two naughty children. They never stayed clean. They never stayed clean. Means they always been dirty, they never stayed clean, and loved eating snacks and fast food, and always they loved to eat snacks and fast food. Snacks means small amount of food that are eaten between meals. Snacks means small amount of food that are eaten between meals, and fast food means food that is made up and served very quickly. Food that is made up and served very quickly. So they love to eat only snacks and fast food. Once there was an emergency and their parents had to go to a nearby town for a day. So once there was an emergency. Emergency means an unaccepted and dangerous situation that must be dealt with immediately. Emergency means an unaccepted and dangerous situation that must be dealt with immediately. So there was one day there was an emergency. So their parents had to leave. Their parents had to go to another town, nearby town for a one day. For a day, their parents had to go to the nearby town. Arav and Reva's parents had to go to a nearby town for a day. The children had to be left alone. So the children, the both Arav and Reva had to stay in the home only. They had to be left alone because their parents had to go for a day only. They promised their parents that they would take care of themselves and eat only the food their mother had prepared for them. So what so they had to live alone for a one day. So they promised to their parents, who Arav and Reva promised to their parents that they take care of themselves and eat only the food their mother had prepared for them. So their mother had prepared some food for them. So they promised that they eat only the food that prepared by the mother, because they have the habit of eating snacks and fast food. But as soon as their parents left, the children ran to the kitchen and opened the fridge. So, but they have promised their parents they eat only the food that mother has prepared. But as soon as their parents left from the home, the children ran to the kitchen. The children, both Arav and Reva, ran towards the kitchen and opened the fridge. So students, you can see in this picture both the Arav and Reva, both the children ran towards the kitchen and opened the fridge. You can see in this picture both ran away and opened the fridge. Oh, chocolate pastries, shouted Arav. So they both ran towards the kitchen and opened the fridge, and there they saw the pastries. Oh, chocolate pastries, shouted Arav. Arav shouted, oh, chocolate pastries. Pickle, what fun! Mother never let me eat pickle, said Reva. So Reva saw the pickle in the fridge and she said, what a fun! My mother never let me eat to eat. Let me to let me eat pickle. Let's me eat pickle, said Reva. I am going to have lots of pickle with bread. So Reva said, pickle. What a fun. She loved the pickle. My mother never gave me to eat the pickle, never served the pickle. So I'm going to eat lots of pickle with the bread. You are a baby. You are always craving for pastries, teased Reva. So, you are a baby. You are always craving. Craving means wanting something very much. Wanting something very much. Teased by the Reva. So, Reva teased. So, Reva teased, you are baby. How dare you call me a baby? You are a baby. So, now Arav told, how dare you call me a baby? Call me a baby. You are baby. They both are fighting. How dare you call me a baby? You are a baby. So let's stop it and eat now, said Arav excitedly. So what the Arav said, let's stop fighting and let's start to eat now. Very excitedly told by the Arav. After the children had finished eating, they played video games and carom. They left hungry again and dashed for the ice creams. So after the after finish eating, they both finished the eating. What they liked the pastries and pickle, they both ate it. They both finished eating and they played video games and carom. Now they started playing video games and carom. Again they dashed for the ice cream. Now after the playing some video games and carom, they felt again hungry again and dashed for the ice cream and ran towards to eat the ice cream. A chocolate sundae and a cassata for me, said Arav. Now Arav said a chocolate sundae and a chocolate sundae and cassata for me, said Arav. Arav said sundae and cassata for me. Sundae means ice cream served with a sweet sauce, nuts, fruits, and syrup. And cassata means ice cream with candied or dried fruits and nuts. Reva quickly added, I too will have the same ice creams. So now Reva quickly told that I will also have the same ice creams. Reva then told her brother, let us have some cold drinks too. But they with the ice cream they need cold drinks also. So Reva told quickly to her brother Arav, let's have some cold drinks also. Yes, yes, let's have, said Arav. Arav also said, yes, yes, we have it. Yes, have it. In no time, both the children gobbled up everything. Gobble means ate something quickly. So both the children gobbled means eat, eating very quickly, ate very quickly. Then they put on the music and they danced till they were tired. Now after the eating, they have now finished the eating. They put on some music and danced till they were tired. Finally, they fell asleep. Now, after becoming tired, finally they fell asleep. In the evening, Reva woke up with a stomach ache. Oh, my stomach, she cried. After the sleep, after she wake up in the evening, Reva woke up, but she wake up with the stomach ache. Now she started the stomach pain. Reva suffering from stomach pain. Reva woke up with stomach ache. Now she told, oh my stomach, she cried. So students, the lesson An Unforgettable Day we will continue in our next class. Now it's time to take the homework. Write keywords from the lesson An Unforgettable Day, page number 48 and 49. Write in your English homework notebook and send on WhatsApp. Thank you.